Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking to put up shelving at your home or at your office? Well, maybe you'd want to consider this flat pack cube shelving from Builders. It looks great and can be put up in different configurations. Let me show you how you can achieve this at your home or at your office. The tools required to complete this task are a pencil, tape measure, drill with a 6mm drill bit, masonry, a screwdriver, a hammer, plugs and screws, and a spirit level. So carefully lay out your pieces. The great thing about this cube is that they are numbered from 1 to 5. So after reading through your instructions carefully, lay out the panels 1 to 4. The next step is to insert your dowel sticks. Once the dowel sticks are in place, the next thing you're going to do is screwing your cam screws into pieces 3 and 4. The next step is to insert your cam locks into pieces 1 and 2. Remember that the arrow must point towards the outside edge. Take the side panels and insert it into the base. Tighten your cam locks in a clockwise direction and lock the cam screws in place. For pop of color, we decided to paint the backboards of each of the cubes with Rust-Oleum specialty lacquer. Insert the backboard for piece number 5 in place by sliding it into the side panels and down into the base. Then take your top panel and secure them into the side panels. And once again, lock your cam screws in place. And lastly, if you're going to secure the cubes to the wall, put on the wall brackets on the back of the cube. All that's left to do now is to put these melamine stickers over the cam lock screws just to hide them and make it look a lot neater. It does look fantastic. Well, all the products we use in this insert are available at Builders, in store or online. But if you want more storage ideas and other great products we've done so far with Builders, please go to our blog tab on our website. The website address is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.